If your notebook is still looking quiet on the shelf, we should talk about UV printing. Hi, I'm Leo from Line Paper. I've working in notebook for more than 20 years. I remember the old ink. It dries slow, it smells strong, and the cover still scratch on the road to your warehouse. UV printing changed this story. Ink lands on the covers, a UV lamp flashes, and it's drying in seconds. Colors stay bright, lines stay sharp. We can move your job from press to packing almost right away. For you, that means cleaner art, faster lead time, and fewer problems caused when box arrives. In the article below, I walk through how UV printing works when it fits your project, and what to think about on cost. Take a minute to read it, and if you are planning a new line or need better quality, send us a message here or LinkedIn. I will show samples and clear numbers.
Follow Line Paper for real-world notebook upgrades.